This is a pickup truck powered by a 6-liter V8 engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This pickup truck, with fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 16 miles per gallon. This Chevrolet features keyless entry, towing package, and 4-wheel drive. Safety features include traction control, stability control, and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include power steering, power door locks, and cruise control. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Just say, "Show me the Carfax" at Keim Chevrolet, a Carfax Advantage dealer.